Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of Vue.js uh, 2 version with Laravel 5.8 series. So in this video we are going to fetch data from MySql database in list and table format. Okay, so first of all we are going to run our e-commerce project from the beginning. Okay, so that we can start working on Vue.js. So I will first check XAMPP, okay, if XAMPP is working fine or not, okay. So I will first check XAMPP, and okay, XAMPP is running fine, Apache and MySQL both are running. So I'm going to run the project now, and that is located at my sample 5.8 is the project e-commerce project that we are working on side by side. So I am going to git bash here. Okay, so I'm going to run my e-commerce project. Okay, here psprtson serve. You have seen that we have implemented everything everything for Vue.js in our e-commerce project. Okay, so if you are new, or if you are if you are following this series, Vue.js series, then it's better if you will follow the e-commerce series as well, or you can implement the Vue.js in any of your projects. Just follow the steps that we have taken in last 4 videos, right from the installation. Okay, so this one we are able to run, and now I will open my project in Sublime 3. You can use any editor as you want. Okay, so sample 5.8 I have used here, and I am going to run my project here in my browser as well. Okay, so along with this one, I am going to run some commands of that Vue.js commands, and that is npm commands basically, and one is the npm run watch. Okay, npm run watch, and another one is the npm run development, means npm run dev. Okay, so both these commands will take some time to run, and Vue.js itself will take some time to run. Okay, so be patient, and now I can run my project, e-commerce project. Okay, so yeah, e-commerce project is running fine, and now I will open the admin panel. And you have seen in the last few videos that we have worked for inquiries. We able to post the inquiries from front end to back end with Vue.js. You have seen the form at front end that we have created. Okay, if you remember that we have created that inquiry form, means in we have posted the form with Vue.js. This contact form we have posted with Vue.js. You can able to see that this syntax updated. Now see, contact us if we post anything, that this data gets posted with Vue.js to MySql database, and will also give a response here. Okay, after submitting the data comes here in inquiries. Okay, and reaches in admin panel in inquiries, and that also we have fetched from Vue.js only. And now this time we need to do some kind of formatting with our data. It does not look good. We need to do in table format like we used to do with our other for formats. Like this kind of thing we need to do. So here also, but here we need to do with Vue.js. We need to see that how it will work. It is not that much complex. It is simple enough. Okay, so so first we are going to do the list. We're going to do with list rendering we are going to do. Okay, so one link that will really help you, we are going to follow that link also. That is, we can search that list rendering view. Okay, it will come here. If you will see, now see our Laravel has started. that Vue.js has stutter. Okay, so another command. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this one we will follow this one, Vue.js version 2 list rendering. Okay, so this kind of thing we are going to follow for the list, and we will also do formatting in table, but later on. But first of all, we are going to do it in list. It is very simple enough. Okay, so I'm going to update that view inquiries bullet file. Okay, where we are doing everything. Okay. So let's open this view inquiries bullet file, and you can able to see here we have done that simple div, and now we are going to convert it to list. So what we are going to do, and we will do like this. Okay, so I'm going to put this after this div. I'm going to start ul. Okay, and I'm going to end ul as well. Okay, and inside ul I am going to have this in li. Okay, li like this. Okay, and here as well li, here as well, and this break is now required. Now we can remove the break, and now you can see that we have updated it to list. Okay, so every time this li will repeat itself. Okay, and because this one we have added in li, and it will repeat, we don't require any kind of break, and it will repeat itself, because we have done this thing in li, and it will keep on repeating. Okay, so we can check that we able to do or not, and you can see that this bullet comes automatically, and it is repeating. Okay, you can see one after another it is repeating. Okay, so mm, type we can also do li types. Okay, you can check out in one to form, it can also come, so you can follow everything in this doc, and will get much idea about this one. Okay, so you will able to learn that what kind of things you can see here. Okay, you can also do like this value key index. Okay, index key value. Okay, everything you can follow here, and you will come to know that what comes, what exactly. Okay, so here I am going to do that thing also. In type. Okay, this is the type, and we can have that kind of things, and I am going to add that type equal to 1. I don't know that it will come. I'm going to check. Okay, and you can see that it is now coming in numbers. You can check out 1 2. Okay, so like this you can add all the data, and it will come one after another, 1 2 3 4 5, and in one data comes in one line. Okay, so you can use this one anywhere you want in your complete website, and uh, okay, like this you can do. And another one, you already know that you can use any kind of uh, means objects here. Okay, and you can refresh, simply refresh, and can see, and see here that circle has come. We have given the circle. Okay, so this is the kind of means uh, li and ul list rendering. Okay, you can also check other things as well in this doc. Okay, so after this list rendering, okay, you can able to see deeply what's given in this doc, in this web page, and you can follow this one. Okay, so our major concern is that we want to make this format like our other format. Okay, so that even in Vue.js we want to follow our own format. Otherwise, there is no use of Vue.js. So we can use the table format as well for our Vue.js. So now we are going to update it with table format. Okay, so let's create the table format now, and this one I am going to make this table format, but yeah, I can start from here. This one we will remove, uh, and here I am going to start table. Okay, and this table, and after table I am going to add that t head. Okay, and t head I'm going to first add the tr. Okay, and tr I'm going to add that th. Okay, and th in th I'm going to add all those that we require, all the uh, columns: name, email, subject, message. 4 columns we require. So name, email, subject, okay, and message. Okay, so after adding these, I will close tr. Okay, and I'm going to close t head as well. Okay, I'm going to see that this much, that table is coming fine. Okay, that is fine. And now after t head I will start t body like we used to do for other tables as well. Okay, we are following the same thing here as well. If you will see that we are doing the same way. Okay, so again tr will come here, but here, yeah, uh, here after this one, and then td once again we will do, and here that inquiry will come, and you are going to see this inquiry, okay, will come here this time. Okay, like this, and we are going to do 1 2 3 4, and after that we are going to close tr as well, and this one we will use here first name, then email, then subject, and then message. Okay, and this one message, and here we require uh, this one condition, that v for condition of Vue.js to loop through the items. Okay, so this one we are going to use here with tr as well, in the same way like we have done in ulli. Okay, so I'm going to close this one, and uh, I'm going to do like this. Okay, so one thing that we require here, we require some table class. Okay, so class we have done like bootstrap class that we are using in another table as well, like table. Okay, and table bordered. Okay, this one, these two classes we are using everywhere. If you are going to see, okay, this one. Okay, rest everything seems to be fine, and I'm going to refresh this, and we'll see that, see here, this one has come in table. You can see yourself that we are following the same thing. Okay, so this one we can bring at the front name, email, and for that we are going to do style for all, or you can do it with css, within css as well. Okay, so here I'm going to do like this, test align left for all the items here like this. Okay, and I'm going to see that we able to do, see here, now see we able to fetch the data in the table format, and we are using Vue.js this time, because if you are going to see another structures like Vue categories, we have always used foreach. You have seen that we have used the foreach, Laravel foreach we have used to fetch the data, but here we are using Vue.js. Okay, this is the difference between these two. Here we are fetching the data in Vue.js, and there we have fetched the data with Laravel. Okay, Laravel foreach. Okay, so this is the difference, main difference between the two, and Vue Vue.js is much faster. Okay, that can work because we no need to refresh the page. Okay, so that means instantly works without refreshing, like you have seen the posting the data. Okay, and it will help here as well. If you post the data, it will instantly come there. Okay, so now this is the thing that we want to do in this video. Now we finally shown the data, inquiries data in the table format, and you have also seen the list format as well. Okay, so we will work on other things of Vue.js in the next video. And as far as the posting of data is concerned, we can do post the data with Vue.js in our here in add category, add product. Okay, add coupon, everywhere you can you can post the data with Vue.js. Like here, you can simply post the data, and after posting the data, the page will not refresh instantly. The message will come that the data has been posted. Okay, so it will, as far as the speed is concerned, it will be much faster than the normal Laravel. It is just like Ajax, and it is better than Ajax because Laravel recommends, and okay, it is the new concept that we can use. Okay, so in this video that's all, and in next video we will do something else, okay, about Vue.js. Okay, then until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.